Many people sell the product like this. So in a loose packs. What is the difference? Why we are not able to make like this? We need to go for a vacuum packing technology because we are not fumigating our rice. So what is the use of a fumigation? Fumigation, which is odorless gases, basically it's aluminum phosphate methyl bromide. Methyl bromide is also called as a ozone gas, and it's banned worldwide, and still people use. So these gases are cause a lot of dangerous health disorder for a human being, including multiple organ failure, kidney issues, nerve issues, lungs issues, and many other things. We have a special article on our Rajamudi.com website in article section about these gases. Many of my customers, they are asking why you are packing so hard, so solid state. So this is we call vacuum packing. Why do vacuum packing? We remove most of oxygen, 99.9% of oxygen, and we seal it. Okay, in this state, no insects can grow inside, no organism can grow inside, because every living thing needs oxygen. Without that, nothing can grow. Okay, that's a simple science. Everyone blame farmer. Okay, they're using pesticides in the fields and to prevent insects and all. But post processing, post-primary processing, nobody knows how many chemicals are used in the food processing companies. So if you look at packing, labeling, and people are they are not mentioning, they are not declaring which is fumigated by what gases. You take any kind of a conventional rice in the market, maybe a Sona Masuri or Basmati, and you check the label. They are not mentioned what are the gas they use for fumigation. More than 15-20,000 people in India alone, they're undergoing a treatment for every year due to the issue of these gases. So we just need to limit this usage, and we should have a healthy life for all of us. So choose organic, have healthy life. Thank you.